We're here at Tuscany Village in Orlando, Florida. Free accommodation for the days that we're here. Oh, it's a screened porch. Ah, I like that. We're here at Tuscany Village in Orlando, Florida. It is a Hilton family property, and this is our free accommodation for the days that we're here. It looks very nice. There's a nice living room here with a window. We'll show you the view from the window in a moment, but let's show you the bedroom here. Nice bedroom. Oh, with a jacuzzi tub. And a balcony. I think we have to go through the family room to get to the balcony. Oh no, there's a sliding door here. And then I think you can also get to it from the sort of family room. Oh, it's a screened porch. Ah, I like that. Let's see, let me get outside and give you a view. This is a nice size balcony here with a view of the water. This is right off the bedroom. Oh, with a flat screen TV. And here's a jacuzzi here. Okay, this door I think takes you back into the main part of the accommodation. But as you can see, nice big mirror here. So from the restroom here, you can either go to the bedroom or you can go to the kitchen. As you can see here, we have a nice size dining room table right off from the kitchen. Then there's another entrance off from the little, what I call family room area. Oh, there's another big old flat screen TV in this area. Wow. But you can go out to the deck from here as well. Very nice. Very nice.